I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the diamond game. First, gather your friends. This game is best with 2 to 4 players. Each person will need 10 tokens to start, so count them out carefully. Place the diamond-shaped game board in the middle of your table, ensuring everyone can reach it. This simple setup gets you ready for an exciting and engaging experience right away. Let's dive into the rules. Now let's cover the basic moves. On your turn, roll a standard 6-sided die. The number you roll indicates how many spaces you move your token clockwise around the board. If you land on a space marked with a diamond, you earn 1 point. Keep track of your points as they are crucial for winning. Remember, strategic movement can help you maximize your score. To play effectively, consider these strategies. Always try to land on diamond spaces. These are your primary source of points. Sometimes, blocking an opponent's path to a valuable diamond can be more beneficial than gaining a point yourself. If your game includes special tokens, save them for critical moments when they can turn the tide. Thinking a few moves ahead will significantly improve your chances of winning. The goal is simple. Be the first player to accumulate 20 points. Once a player reaches this target, the game concludes and they are declared the winner. In the rare event of a tie, a final die roll determines the victor, with the higher number winning. For those looking to improve their financial thinking, a fantastic resource is available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your next diamond game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.